Hello and welcome to the 316 Investor podcast. In this series, we will be talking about investment strategies. We will have special guests from loan officer products, services in the state of Oregon coming in here to talk about what it's like for first-time home buyers, what it's like to get into the investment strategies and or first-time home buying, what it's like to go from being a property renter to a property owner, and the significance of doing that in such a time as this. So with that being said, you're going to want to make sure that you subscribe to this podcast as soon as possible to get all the latest and updated information moving into 2024 and years after. Now, we are just now starting this podcast. So again, we are growing and developing as our system starts to permit. We will be talking with investors, financial advisors. We've got those on the schedules as well too, coming up in the next couple series. This channel, this is actually just the intro to the podcast channel. We will be talking about HELOCs, refis, DSCR loans, investment strategies, the current housing market within Oregon, not just in specific cities in Oregon, but all of Oregon in general. If you wanted to find out more information, you're more than happy to contact the individuals that we will be having on this podcast series. Myself, I'm a realtor with ExP Realty here in the state of Oregon, licensed as a broker and realtor member of NAR. So with that being said, if you are looking to buy or sell a house, please make sure you can contact me, reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to work with you. Also, besides being a realtor investor myself, I'm also a podcaster, YouTuber, and investor. So when it comes to certain strategies that you're looking to get into, creative financing, subject to, stuff like that, I want to be your go-to person. Separate from that, we also have several professionals that are in the real estate professional field, such as loan officers, title companies that'll be coming on and talking about their products and their services and how they can benefit and maybe kind of alter or change your trajectory in investments. Property investment is by far one of the greatest investments that you can make. I myself have spent years as a stock investor for myself, for my family and friends, moving into cryptocurrencies, and then finally getting out of cryptocurrencies and into real estate. My wife and me have invested in several real estate ventures throughout our time together as a married couple, and wanted to share our experiences and our knowledges with the public through podcasts, YouTube series, and such. Our YouTube channel is going to be very similar to the podcast channel, which will also be the 316 Investor. And again, please make sure you subscribe to the podcast and our YouTube series to make sure that you're up to date on all of our videos and content. And as always, please make sure you feel free to share and subscribe to all of our content. Please stay tuned. Tomorrow or the next, probably by Friday, we'll have it live with me in another interview. We'll be going over loan products, DSCR loans, and talking about certain investment strategies. Just for our first video. After that, we'll start to develop and branch out to speaking with other professionals that are licensed in the state of Oregon to talk about investments, strategies, financial advisoryship. We'll also even probably branch into insurance talks as well too. So a lot of great content coming in. You're going to want to make sure that you subscribe and again follow for more details. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great day.